Hi everyone, I'm here recording the video number 2 as I promised to all you. Let's go from here and after that I'll record my video number 3 and let's move on. Great. To start this one, attention here, just solve each equation and check your solution. How it solve? Solve by the opposite operation. You have been doing this since grade 6, grade 7 when we learn how to solve equation. But attention here, we are solving radical equations, okay? What is the opposite to root third power? Third power, okay? Root to the third root, power 3. Then negative 2 to the third power, negative 8. 4x plus 3 equals negative 8. Keep solving, you got it, x equals negative 11 divided by 4. How do I check if it solved my problem or not? Substitute this x in the equation. You were right. Third root for 11 divided by negative 11 fourths, negative 11 fourths, plus 3 equals negative 2. You will double check, okay? We use the question mark here because we don't know if it's true or false. Solving this, you will see negative 2 equals negative 2. Done. It's checked. Okay? Next one is the same thing. Just solving the opposite first. Subtract 4 will be square root x plus 2 equals x minus 4. Quadratic, the other one will be x plus 2 equals x minus 4 to the second power. You will got it, x squared minus 9x plus 14 equals 0. Quadratic formula, or two numbers that I multiply is 14 and negative 9. Those two numbers is negative 2 and negative 7. The answer is 2 and x equals 7. How do we check that? Same thing, substitute there. You will see number 2 not works because it will be 6 equals 2. Nope, it's different. Then that's why it's not working number 2. But if you check with 7, you will see 7 equals 7. Then only this answer works, okay? Same thing, next one. 4 and 3 denominator. We need to make the same denominator. To do that, we just multiply this guy by 4, multiply this guy here by 3, and we got 3m minus 4 plus 4m equals 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 6, 72. Okay. Again, I will not use the time for this video here to explain each step by step. If you want to explain to you step by step what I did here, come to my room. You know, I'm here in my room any day. Okay, you can just come and we can talk. And solving here would be 3m minus 12 plus 4m equals 72. 7m equals 84 divided by 7, m equals 12. Checking, you will see 6 equals 6, and that's true. Great. Let's go number 2. Don't have too much time. Let's go over here. Number 2. Elisa is catering a children party. She made 130 ounces of an organic apple juice blended that is 70% juice. Her client tells her she wants the juice blend to be 80% juice. Write and solve an equation to determine how much juice Elisa must add to the blend she made to have the correct percent of juice for the client. Show your work. Attention here. First thing, my blend right now is 70%. Let's calculate how much juice we have over there. It's 130 times 0.7, 7%, which is 91 ounces right now. My thing is 91 ounces right now. However, I need my blend be what? 80%. How do I do that? Well, I have 91 plus x, because it's the amount of 70% I have, divided by 130 plus which number to be 80%. That's the way. Multiply, cross multiply, so here you will see 91 plus x equals 104 plus 0.8x. So for x equals 65. Okay, this is the amount of juice she needs to add to this organic apple juice to get 80%. Okay, to blend to be 80%. Okay, next one, number 3. Identify the extrema zeros and intercepts of the graph of p of x. Well, on first thing here, to identify this extrema, we have no extremas over here. Okay, we have no extrema. The extrema is like the minimum point or maximum point. As you see, we don't have it. The intercepts, okay, the 0 is at 20y. My x-intercept is 20. My y-intercept here, y-intercept is negative 0, negative 8. Okay, attention, what is extrema? Extrema is the minimum or maximum point. We don't have the minimum or maximum. Okay, no minimum, no maximum. Okay. Number 4, perform each operation. Guys, it's just solve. Okay, I know it's a fraction here. Probably what? Mister, have no idea. First, you need to factor those guys here. Find the common factor. Okay, the common factor after solving. I will just show here how to do it. If you are stuck, you have no idea how to find the factor, again, put this in Math Papa and you will see how to do that. Okay, I will not use this time here to explain step by step because you're supposed to know. Great. Then you stop the video, go Math Papa, put this equation there, and choose the option factor that shows you how to factor. Okay. Then after you factor, use the Math Papa for doing the thing. You got it. This thing here, x minus 2, x plus 1, x plus 1 over negative 8x squared plus 21x plus 5. Restrictions are where I cannot be 0. Well, I cannot be 0 when I use 0, negative 1, and 2. Because 0 for here, okay, negative 1 for those two guys here, and positive 2 for this guy here. Great. Same thing B, okay, B is the same thing. Just solving the thing, you got it, x squared plus 3x minus 4 divided by 4. Where is the restrictions? Restrictions is here in the beginning, okay? Restrictions in the beginning. You need to put the restrictions there. I cannot use those numbers, never, okay? What is the opposite? Positive 1, negative 1 is one of my restrictions. The second restriction is 4, okay? Let's go here. Does the value of the house, okay, Nadine bought a house for in 1995 for 155,000. The table displays the value of the house over the several years. The year 0 corresponds to the date that Nadine bought the house. Does the value of the house represent an example of exponential decay, exponential growth, or neither? Explain your reasoning. Attention here, guys, is growth or decay? And let's explain our reasoning. First, check the ratio. What is the common ratio here? If you divide this by this, you got 1.05. This by this, 1.05. This by this, 1.05. It's a common ratio? Yes. Then it's exponential growth. Growth because common Oops. Common ratio. Ratio of 1.05. Write a function. V, the value of the house. Then you write here V equals the initial value, which is 155,000, times 1.05 to the n power. N represents years. And C, what is the value of the house in 2010? How long 1995 to 2010? 5 years will be 2015 years. Then we raise this power here to the 15 power. Solving that, put in calculator, you will got the value 322 233.87. Great. Same thing 6, okay? 6 is same thing. Remember the formula, we talk a lot about this, the nerd formula. Initial value, natural base, natural number, RT, ratio and time. We did this many times in question. Great. How do we just read, put the things over there. The Graceville had a population 1.4 million, and the annual growth 1.35%. What is the growth? Write the equation. The equation is NT equals 1,400,000. E. The ratio is in, remember, percentage, we need to write as decimal, is 0.0135 T. That's my equation. Solving this problem here, I'm looking for time B. Use the technology to estimate the Graceville. Put this in calculator or decimals, this equation, exactly this equation there, and move until you find 2 million. Which year will be that? The year you see 2038 or 2039. Great. According to the model, what will be the population 2025? How many years? 13 years. Change T for 13. Solve again, calculator. You will got it 1,668,579, the population 2025. And use your model to predict, estimate the population 1989 in past. Remember, it's negative. Okay, remember that's negative. How many years in past? In this case here, we're just calculating. We took 2 years, 10, 12, 89, more 10, 11, will be 23 years in the past. Then negative 23 the power, okay? Then you will see the population was 1,026,312. Great. Let's go number 7. The same thing, same equation. We're doing this many times. I don't want to keep repeating, but you got it, the problem. Drill wants to invest $5,000 in a saving account. Offers 4.5 interest compound monthly. Attention here for the word monthly, per month. What is the equation? First, the equation is the sum bank, that's the first bank, and after we go to the second bank, right side bank is 5,000. My money. 1 plus, remember, because we are adding 0.045, the first one, divided by monthly in 1 year. Then is divided by 12 T. And the second one is quarterly. Then B equals, same equation, 1 plus quarterly means divided by 4. 0.0475 divided by 4. And 4T. Great. Guys, right now solve in 5 years. Calculator again. I'm not sure how to do it. I show it already many times in classroom. Just do it. Okay, if you need help, the first bank, you should choose right side bank. Why? Because some bank, the first one, the Drewer got 6,258.98 bucks. Okay, for 5 years period. And the second one, the Bright Bank, using the equation 6,331.51. That's why this option is the best option. Okay. Next one, consider the function h of x, which transformation gx log 3x right 2 units and down 1 unit. Guys, remember, this is easy. H of x, we have our function equals g, my previous function. I need to move 2 to the right, x. Right and left is opposite sign always. If I go to the right, it's negative. If I go to the left, it's positive. Then here is x minus 2. Up and down is correct. Up, positive, down, negative. And down 1 unit, minus 1. That's it. Great. And corresponding point on hx here, complete the table by determining the corresponding point. Well, if it was 1/3 and negative 1, just plug in this 1/3 here and solve, you will got the next point. Okay, just check what do we have here. And if you keep solving here, 7/3, negative 2, 3, negative 1, 5, 0, 11, 1. Great. And write this in logarithm function. It will be h of x equals log 3. Yeah, the last one. Log 3 x minus 2 minus 1. That's it. Done. You plug in those points here in calculator, you find the table, okay? Just do it. Just plug in the points there. You will find this in the calculator. Great. That's it. If you have any question, Bye.